my name is Nick. I'm 23 years old and this is my E92 M3. So I bought the car about 5 years ago, actually senior year in high school. It was actually my first car. I've always been a huge fan of BMWs, especially M3s, and as soon as I heard the E92 in person and seen them in person, I knew I had to get one. I think what really got me into cars, I think just watching Fast and the Furious movies growing up, I think I could say that probably for a lot of car people, honestly, to say the same thing. But just watching those movies really motivates you to want to build something, have a cool car, drive fast, and just hang out with a bunch of car friends. So the car is bagged on airlift performance suspension. We have 4-star F14 wheels, carbon fiber front lip, carbon fiber diffuser, carbon fiber spoiler, carbon fiber side splitters, all from ABS Auto Body. I have an auto power roll cage and a crazy custom steering wheel. We have a full Valvetronic exhaust system on the car, and it's also tuned by Gintani. I think my favorite mod has to be the air suspension because these cars just look so good on the floor. So the car is currently wrapped in pearl neon mint. We actually wrapped it at my wrap shop, Sit Wraps, in Rancho Cucamonga. I chose this color not only because it's my favorite color, but I also wanted something that can stand out, grab people's attention, and just be different than others. Every single time I take the car out, everybody asks if it's a paint job, if I got it custom painted or anything like that. And it always gets compliments, and that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted something that could just stand out, and I think this color just does that.